Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It is called Blockade Labs Skybox, using which you can create any 3D scene. So you might have seen various tools using which you can generate images from prompts. So here also you can generate images, but these are 360-degree images of scenes. So I can just say whatever I want here. Let's say I get started. I'll say a rainforest full of butterflies flying with sunset. A rainforest full of butterflies flying with sunset. So I want to be realistic, so I'll say realistic. If I want to generate depth, then I can generate this depth. I'm just gonna say generate. Now it is gonna generate a rainforest full of butterflies flying with sunset. So it will be that 3D 360-degree image that is gonna generate based on my prompt, which I can use for various other projects also. Now you can see this. Now it's saying a rainforest full of butterflies when sunset. This is a rainforest. I don't see any butterflies for some reason, but it's close to what I'm looking for with sunset. There's a sunset here that is happening here. So they have other settings here like brush, guides. So if you want to add something to it, you can add it. But I think for that you will have to log in maybe. So if you see remix it, you can remix it. So add to this is coming soon. So if I want to add something to this, I can click on add to this. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.